Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into a sleek and stylish accessory for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, the dagaladoo Black Keycap Set. This set brings a minimalist Japanese aesthetic to your desk while combining durability and functionality. The dagaladoo keycaps are made using high-quality PBT material with a double-shot process. This means the legends on the keys will never fade, ensuring a long-lasting typing experience. Compared to standard ABS keycaps, PBT feels more textured and natural, and it resists oil buildup, keeping your keyboard clean and comfortable to use over time. One of the standout features of this set is the side-printed, shine-through design. Each keycap allows light to pass through not just the characters but also the outline and lines, giving a backlit keyboard a crisp, clear glow. Whether you're typing late at night or just want that premium backlit look, these keycaps make it effortless to see each key clearly. The set comes with 123 keys in an ergonomic OEM profile. This profile is designed to match the natural curve of your fingers, reducing fatigue during long typing sessions. It's compatible with a wide range of mechanical switches including Cherry MX, Gateron, KL, and other MX-style clones. That means whether you have a full-size keyboard or a compact layout, the dagaladoo keycaps will fit perfectly. Installation is simple and straightforward. The package even includes a keycap puller, so swapping out your old keycaps for this stylish set is quick and easy. Plus, these keycaps work with both backlit and non-backlit keyboards, giving you flexibility no matter your setup. Overall, the dagaladoo Black Keycap Set combines minimalist design, ergonomic comfort, and long-lasting durability. If you're looking to elevate the look and feel of your mechanical keyboard, these keycaps are a solid choice. That's it for today's review on Product Scout. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any of our latest product deep dives. See you next time.